In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x00000709 when you try to connect a printer on Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we can run the printer troubleshooter. So for that, right click at the start button, select run. Once run window has been launched, type this command msdt.exe space forward slash ID space printer diagnostic. Okay, msdt.exe space forward slash ID space printer diagnostic and click on OK. Now the printer troubleshooter will appear. So here simply click on the next button and that will detect the problems on your Windows in connection to printer. So you just need to simply follow the on-screen instructions like this. Select the printer that isn't working properly. So you just have to select it from here and follow the on-screen instructions. After doing the troubleshooting step, right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, right-click at the start button, select Device Manager. Once Device Manager window is open, locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click on the arrow to expand the list, and here you'll find you need to find USB composite device. Right click, select Update Driver, search automatically for drivers. For the second one, right click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. So the best drivers for your device are already installed. After that, restart your Windows. Right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. You can also download the driver from the manufacturer's website. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.